Hello viewers, welcome to KC Sharp, where we turn drafting skills into income. In today's section, we are going to talk about stretching objects in AutoCAD. Are you trying to move objects in AutoCAD but everything breaks or move incorrectly? Let me show you a faster way you can go about it. In the next few minutes of this tutorial, we all are going to learn how to stretch objects in AutoCAD without redrawing your entire design. And I'm also going to promise you that at the end of this tutorial or this video, I will show you a small trick that most beginners don't know about. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into what we have today. There are quite a few cases that we want to lengthen an object without changing its sizes in general. This can be achieved if we use the stretch tools, and the stretch tools can be found in the modify panel of the home ribbon. This is the modify panel of the home ribbon. In this example, the distance between the two circles is 500. The distance between these two circles here is 500 centimeters apart. To correct that, I will activate the stretch tools, and that prompts me to select the object I wish to stretch. So what am I going to do? I'm going to activate the stretch tools, which is here. I've activated it. Then I will select the part I want. Then I'll select the part I want. Then press enter. For instance, I will select here. I will select here. Select here. If I'm clicking them or selecting the one after the other, then I will press enter. Then it's telling me to specify the base point. I will set the base point to the center of the circle, then move my cursor to the right hand side. I am going to use the center of this circle, click and move my cursor to the right hand side. However, as you can see, it's not being stretched, it's being moved instead. As you can see, it's not being stretched, it's not being stretched, rather it's being moved. This happens because the only way to perform stretch is to select the object using the crossing method. If I select this thing one by one or using the window method as I did, I will only move the object. So what am I going to do? I am going to click escape to reactivate this. So the next thing that I will need to do now is I will press the escape, which I have already done, and activate the stretch tool again. I have pressed the escape, so I will activate the stretch tool again. This particular time now, I am going to select the object using the crossing method. So since I have already activated the object, I am going to use a crossing method this time around instead of clicking them one after the other. So if you check very well, the distance from this circle to this circle is 500 cm, which is centimeter, but I'm going to increase it, let it be 600. So since I've already activated my stretch, so what I need to do now, I'm going to use a cross method this time around rather than clicking them one after the other. So I will just go ahead and click and highlight the particular side which you want to stretch and click enter. Now it's telling you to specify base point. So I am going to also make use of the center point of this circle. Click and drag my cursor towards my right hand side. As you can see, it's no longer moving as it was before, rather it's now stretching. So I'm going to type in 100, say enter. Now from that 500 it was before, it has automatically now changed to 600. So this is how you can stretch your objects in AutoCAD. If you found this helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. I post practical tutorial every week. Thank you and see you next. Bye.